going, I think.
Back down.
I'm gonna go as long as possible.
Getting boring, Jake. Not even that warm coming out the back.
I wonder how much power we're getting. Get the DMM.
Yeah, because I can grab that.
Alright. About 700 watts or so. Check the voltage too while we're here. Walking away from me.
Just do it right on the speakers.
I'm serious, it's gonna be wrong.
55.5 on each one. Alright, Jake. Kill it. Kill it. Unplug it. Alright. Wire it up single. We'll kill him.
Alright, pause the video.
No, because then you gotta put 2 videos up. You can do it. Get the man working.
It's gonna be quick.
Backwards twisting, bastard. Don't twist the other wire because it's small enough. Ready, set, and go. It's done.